At Stonegate, we have an Optimo Rental Service. This is where we hold a range of bespoke profile tools in stock that you can rent off us hassle-free on a job-by-job basis. The Optimo rental process is super simple and easy to use. We will first get in touch with you to find out the profile of your choice and also the CNC it will be used on. Once you've confirmed your rental order, our technicians will set them up at Stonegate on our Xerox machine. From there, we will send you a list of the measurements that you will use on your CNC for the tools. On your first rental order, we'll send a technician out with the tools to make sure it's all set up and running smoothly on your CNC. From there, you'll just tell us the meterage you've used and we'll arrange collection. So at Stonegate House, we have a Xerox machine set up here. Each tool gets set up on the cone, and from there it gets 3D scanned with the laser technology to make sure that all the measurements are perfectly accurate. We will then send you a list of those measurements so you can input them into your CNC for perfect results every single time. We currently have a range of 11 different profiles. These come in a variety of 20mm and 30mm, and we're always looking to add to the range. So if you have a profile that you would like to see in rental that we don't currently do, please get in touch as we're always happy to help. The four main benefits are the profile range, the accuracy of the tools, the efficiency in your factory and the cost effectiveness. Renting the tooling means that you won't necessarily have to invest in a full set of tools which you might never use again. The rental tooling can work on any material. We've tested it on granite, marble, UCS, you name it. Yes, definitely. It's even better. We're providing you with a set of tools that's set up perfectly and are in great condition. If you would like any further details on how the rental service works, please get in touch. Our technicians are always ready on hand to give any advice.